are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.